YouTube? Scott Litt here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning. Got some big upgrades here on my trailer. My new 8 gallon per minute machine is here. It is installed, it's plumbed up, it's ready to rock and roll. I put my bigger hose reel here. It's got 150 foot worth of hose on there. This is my new soft wash hose, 150 foot of soft wash, half-inch soft wash hose there. It's mounted, plumbed up already, ready to rock and roll. Still have my original tanks here. That's a 25 gallon, 13 gallon. This is gonna be my commercial slash larger residential jobs trailer. So I have my 28-inch big guy surface cleaner. Got all my wands here. A backup surface cleaner, that's the Erie. I have it working again. My hot water. And then I took my other pressure washers that were on here, my 4 gallon per minute water cannon, made a skid out of it, took the wheels off, got it mounted to this pallet here. Have my 3.3 gallon per minute Simpson, have it mounted as well on here. Have my 20-inch North Star, my 125 gallon back there. I mounted my smaller hose reel right here. I have some new hoses on there. Got my X-Jet in here. So yeah, this is gonna be my smaller to medium size residential setup. So that way I don't have to go and get my trailer for every job. It's gonna save me on gas and time. I mean, you can make a lot of money with just that setup right there. I mean, those are two nice machines. The belt drive will be able to suck water out of that 125 if I ever need to use it. So I have my downstream injector there if I ever wanted to downstream. So I have my telescoping wand back here. So I'm ready to rock and roll, guys. I'd say that's a really nice residential setup and a nice commercial. So, all right, guys, well, I have a soft wash tomorrow at a house, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be filming that. Have a good day.